Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're taking a close look at an online store called Hydashop.com.
Right. They sell women's beachwear, summer dresses, that sort of thing.
And the site looks great, really professional, bright bikinis, trendy outfits. But our mission today is to figure out if it's legit.
Exactly. Is this a real store you can trust, or is it just a pretty facade?
Okay, let's start with the basics, the contact info. They list an email, a phone number, and a physical address. So far, so good.
On the surface, yeah, it checks those initial boxes. But that physical address, that's where the first crack appears.
Oh, what did you find?
Well, we looked it up, and it's not a warehouse or an office building. It's just a house in a residential neighborhood.
A house. Wait, you're saying this Worldwide Clothing LLC is being run out of someone's home?
It seems so. And for a business that's supposed to be handling clothing inventory and shipping, that's really unusual. It raises a lot of questions.
Like, where is all the stock?
Precisely. It strongly suggests they don't have any stock. It's almost certainly a drop shipping setup, which can be a nightmare for customers.
A nightmare how?
Huge delays, zero quality control, impossible returns. You know the drill.
Right, so if the location is suspicious, what about the products themselves? I mean, the photos are gorgeous.
They are, and that's the trap. We ran a reverse image search on a bunch of their product photos. They're copied, lifted from other websites, designer catalogs, social media, you name it.
So the pictures on the site aren't even of the clothes they're actually selling.
Nope. Which means you have absolutely no idea what you're actually going to get in the mail. It's a total gamble.
That is a massive red flag.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to transparency. What about the company's history?
Well, there isn't much of one. Their social media account was just created in 2025. It's brand new.
No track record at all. And what about the people behind it?
Total mystery. We found nothing on the founder, no name, no photo, nothing.
But they mentioned Worldwide Clothing LLC, right? That sounds official.
It sounds official, but without a VAT number or any other real business registration info, it's just words on a screen. It doesn't really mean anything.
Wow, so it's basically an anonymous company.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Which brings us to maybe the most telling piece of the puzzle.
The customer feedback.
Or the complete lack of it. We searched everywhere. Their own site, Trustpilot, Reddit, forums.
And you found what? A few bad reviews?
We found 0 reviews at all. Nothing.
That's impossible. For an e-commerce store, no feedback at all.
It's a ghost town. It suggests that either no one is buying from them or, well, any feedback is being scrubbed. Either way, it's a terrible sign.
So let's just quickly recap here. We've got a business address that's a residential house,
Stolen product photos,
a company that's brand new and totally anonymous.
and a complete eerie silence from any actual customer.
When you lay it all out like that, it's not a good look.
Not at all. Based on everything we've looked at today, Hydashop.com just seems incredibly unreliable.
Yeah.
I would say it's a very high-risk place to spend your money. And that actually leaves us with a final thought for you to consider. We see a company use a term like LLC, and we automatically think it's legitimate, right?
Sure, it provides a sense of security.
But if that LLC is set up to be completely anonymous, with no public founder info or tax ID, you have to ask yourself, who is that legal structure really protecting? Is it protecting you, the consumer? Or is it just shielding the owner from any and all accountability when your order never shows up?